Good morning, dear student. Today I am just placing the video of acceleration due to gravity and how does acceleration due to gravity changes due to various effects. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth here. Let this is the Earth which is having radius capital R. So on its surface, the acceleration due to gravity is small g is capital G m mass of Earth r square. But how does this changes as the height changes? Suppose at B point, I want to find out acceleration due to gravity. So what will be its value? Because the distance has been changed from the center of the earth. Now from center of the earth, the distance has become r plus h. So g dash at point B will be gm upon r plus h whole square. So now, because I have to compare it, so g dash upon g is equal to thus and thus, simplifying on this, g dash upon g is equal to r square upon r plus h whole square. Now from denominator I am taking r square as common. I am taking r square as common. Keep this in your mind. R square, taking r square as common, so it will remain 1 plus h upon r, its whole square. R square and r square will get eliminated. So it is left 1 plus h upon r whole minus 2. That will go in numerator. So this will become thus. Expanding the above and using binomial theorem. So now here expression is being used for the applying the binomial theorem 1 plus x to the power minus n. So placing this, so it will become 1 minus, this minus 2 will come here, minus 2h upon r plus the items containing the higher power of h upon r. Higher power means minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Higher power of h upon r, they can be eliminated. So usually h is quite small in comparison to the capital R because radius of earth is 6400 kilometer. So h is very small in comparison to 6400 kilometer. So what can I say here? So h upon r can be neglected. So h upon r, higher power of this h upon r can be neglected because its value will be very small. So what is left? Only 1 minus 2h upon r. So g dash upon g is equal to 1 minus 2h upon r. This is the expression of binomial expression. So what is the value of g dash? G dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h upon r. So this is the value of small g at height h. So which is always less than small g. So small g will be highest at the surface. Suppose the same way I just go towards the depth. Let this is the surface of earth. Now I go depth x from the surface. Now the remaining distance is how much? R minus x. So what will be the value of g dash at its surface? And this g is equal to gm upon r. So what will be the g dash? So for this I have to find out mass of the remaining earth. 4 by 3 pi r cube this. So g will be equal to g is equal to g m upon r square. M is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. So what is the value of g? G is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r into rho. This is at the surface. At depth, g dash is equal to g into m dash because mass will get reduced. R minus x whole square. So what is the value of m dash? M dash I can write 4 by 3 pi r cube a minus b whole cube. This is the value of g dash upon r minus x whole square. 4 by 3 pi r g into r minus x whole into rho. Now dividing this g dash by this g. So g dash upon g is equal to this 4 by 3 pi g and rho. They will get eliminated. R minus x upon r is left. Taking r as common. So what is left here? G into 1 minus x upon r. So this is the value of g dash. So this is also smaller than g. So it means either I go above to the surface of earth or I go below to the surface of earth. In both cases, the value of g dash is smaller than its surface value. So at the center, how much it will become? X will become r. R upon r is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So at center, it means here the value of g will become 0. So this thing you have to keep in your mind. Thank you and have a great day. Keep on doing revision.